Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and share a Google Doc quickly and easily. All right, let's start from the Google homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If not, just go ahead and sign in real quick. Once you're logged in, look up at the top right corner and click on the Google Apps icon, that little grid of dots. From here, select Docs. Now, you can create a new document, a presentation, or even a spreadsheet, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with a Google Doc. Click on Blank, and boom, we've got a brand new document ready to go. Let's give it a quick title. I'll call this one Shared Group Notes. Sharing a doc like this is great because you and your teammates can all work on the same file together live without sending different versions back and forth. Next, let's share it. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. By default, it says Restricted, meaning only certain people can open it. Let's fix that. Click Change, then select anyone with the link. Now, under Access, it probably says Viewer. Change that to Editor, so everyone with the link can make changes too. Once that's done, click Done. Perfect. Your doc is now shareable and editable by anyone with the link. Go ahead and click Copy Link. That copies the link to your clipboard. Now, go ahead and share this link through Gmail or DM. Just paste the link right in, then hit Send, and you're done. That's how you create and share a Google Doc in just a few minutes. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.